So hello guys, in this video we will solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure this ABCD is a square. So you can see that this A, this B, this C and this D, this is forming a square, and AB is 20 centimeter. So this side length is 20 centimeter, and AQ and BP are tangent to this semicircle. So you can see this semicircle. So this line and this line are tangent to this semicircle. So we have to find this, what is the value or what is the area of this blue region. So first you try to solve this, then I will solve. So let's start the solution. So you see this figure. So in this figure you can see that this blue region is this P, Q, C and D. So this is a trapezium. So we know that the trapezium area is half times this CD plus PQ, and in this case this perpendicular height is MQ. So if we know the value of CD, PQ and MQ, we can calculate this trapezium area. So here it is the tangent to the semicircle, and let's say this is the diameter of this semicircle and L is the center point. So from center, if you draw perpendicular to this tangent, this angle will be 90-degree angle. This angle will be 90-degree angle, and from this point we are drawing a perpendicular to this CD. So this is the perpendicular height uh, which we are putting here for calculating the trapezium area. And now we know that this whole length is 20 centimeter, so which is also equal to the 2 times radius of the semicircle. So the radius of the semicircle is 10 centimeter. So if this distance LD and LC both are 10 centimeter, like LD and LC both are 10 centimeter, which is radius of the semicircle. So this is from center to any point on the circle, this distance also is 10 centimeter. And like from the A point you can see that this AD line is a tangent to the semicircle, and this length is equal to the this square length, so it is 20 centimeters. So you can also see that like this AQ is also tangent, so it is drawn from the similar point. So if this length is 20 centimeter, this length is also 20 centimeter, because these two tangents are drawn from the similar point, so these two lengths are same. And you can see that this is the angle bisector, this is the angle bisector, these two lengths are same, and these two are tangent. And if you connect this line, this A point to the center point, so this is the angle bisector. So if this angle is some theta dash, so this is also theta dash. And now you see the triangle ADL. Triangle ADL. So we know this is 10 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter. So we can calculate this AL length. What is AL length? So from Pythagoras theorem we can calculate this. So AL length will come like root of 20 square plus 10 square. So it will come like 10 root 5. And you assume this angle to be theta. So this angle would be theta. So this angle will also be theta, because this is the angle bisector. So this bisect this whole angle into equal. So this is theta. So this is also equal to the theta. So now we can write if you see here sine theta. So we can write sine theta is equal to the AD divided by AL. So it is equal to the 20 divided by 10 root 5. So it is equal to the sine theta is 2 by 5 root 5. You multiply numerator and denominator by root 5, so it will become like this. And you also calculate cos theta. So cos theta is equal to 10 divided by 10 root 5. So it is 1 by root 5. So it is 1 by 5 times root 5, like this way. Now this is theta and this is theta, so we assume like this angle to be phi. So phi we can write the total angle is 180 minus 2 theta. So this total angle is 180 minus 2 theta, we can write in this way. And if you take sine on both sides, so sine phi is equal to sine of 180 minus 2 theta. So sine of 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So here in this case is sine 2 theta. So it is 2 times sine theta cos theta. And we know value of the both sine theta and cos theta. It is 2 by 5 times root 5 and this is 1 by 5 times root 5. So like this will cancel. So it will become like 4 by 5. So sine theta value is 4 by 5. So here so sine phi value is 4 by 5 we are getting. So sine phi value we are getting 4 by 5. So we know that this is the radius which is 10 centimeter and from this point we are drawing this perpendicular, so this is 90 degree. So you take the triangle QML. So you can write sine phi is equal to the MQ divided by 10. So MQ divided by 10 and we know the sine phi value is 4 by 5. So MQ is it coming like 8. So this length is coming like 8 and you can calculate this is like cos phi you can write ML divided by 10. So if sine phi is 4 by 5 it is 3 by 5 ML divided by 10. So ML length will come like 6. So this length is 6 and this is 8. Now in the problem it is given it is 20 and we calculated this like this ml is 6 and if you draw perpendicular from this point also this is symmetric, so this length is also 6. So this total horizontal length which is pq we are getting 6 plus 6 12 centimeter. So this horizontal length PQ we are getting 12 centimeter. This CD or DC we can say it is 20 centimeter, like this is 20 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter and this perpendicular height is 8 centimeter. So what is the trapezium area? Half times 20 plus 6 multiplied by 2 which is 12. So 20 plus 12 multiplied by 8. So this is like 32 multiplied by 8 by 2. So this is 16 multiplied by 8. So which is 128 centimeter square. So in this way you can solve this problem. So hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video.